Imagine holding a smartphone so incredibly thin it feels like it's barely there, yet it's packed with flagship-level features, a massive battery, and stunning performance. Welcome to the Tecno Spark Slim, officially the world's slimmest 3D curved smartphone. Today, we're diving deep into why this budget powerhouse is turning heads. First, let's talk design. Measuring an astonishingly thin profile and weighing only a feather-light amount, the Spark Slim is lighter and sleeker than most premium phones. It features a premium 3D curved body that feels luxurious in your hand, no sharp edges, just smooth elegance. Available in stunning colors like slim white, cool black, and sky blue. But slim doesn't mean fragile. It boasts dust and water resistance, military-grade shock protection, and Corning Gorilla Glass on the front for scratch resistance. This phone is built to last through daily life. Turn it on, and you're greeted by a breathtaking large 3D curved AMOLED display. The high resolution delivers sharp, vibrant visuals. The high refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and animations feel incredibly smooth, no lag, just fluid motion. Peak brightness is extremely high, so it's crystal clear even under bright Lagos sunlight. Colors are rich, blacks are deep thanks to AMOLED technology, and the curved edges give it that immersive, premium look without accidental touches. Flip it around, the standout mood light design is pure genius. That horizontal LED strip around the camera module lights up for notifications, calls, music, or charging status. It adds a fun, futuristic vibe. The main rear camera sits in this sleek module with dual LED flash, capturing sharp everyday photos and high-quality video. Up front, the selfie camera with dual flash ensures great portraits and video calls. Stereo speakers deliver surprisingly good sound for such a thin device, perfect for music, videos, or gaming. Now, the real magic. How does Tecno fit such a huge battery into this ultra-thin body? Advanced stacking technology and efficient components make it possible. This battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy social media, streaming, and calls, and often stretches longer with moderate use. When you need a quick top-up, super fast charging gets you back to full power quickly. No more waiting around, power up fast and get back to your day. Under the hood, the efficient MediaTek Helio G processor handles everyday tasks smoothly. Paired with generous RAM that expands virtually even further and plenty of storage, multitasking, light gaming, and app switching feel responsive. Vapor chamber cooling keeps things from overheating during longer sessions. Running the latest Android with HIOS skin, you get Tecno's AI Suite, AI Eraser for photo editing, Ask Ella Intelligent Assistant, AI writing tools, and AI Search, smart features that make life easier. Plus extras like NFC, infrared remote control, FM radio, and a physical gyroscope. Connectivity is solid with fast mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and OTG support. No compromises here, it's a complete package. Whether you're in Lagos juggling work, socials, and entertainment, the Spark Slim delivers premium style, long battery life, smooth performance, and unique touches like mood light, all at an affordable price point. The Tecno Spark Slim proves you don't need to sacrifice power for slimness. It's stylish, durable, feature-packed, and ready for anything. If you're looking for a standout budget phone that feels premium, this is it. Get the Tecno Spark Slim today. Slim never felt so powerful.